What is General Academic Strand?
General Academic Strand caters students who are not yet sure of what course or degree they want to take in college.
This strand was designed so that NCC learners can proceed with any college program. Why you choose General Academic Strand?
Incoming grade 11 students may opt for the General Academic Strand or GAS in senior high school for several reasons. One being its comprehensive and versatile curriculum.
GAS offers a balanced mix of subjects across different disciplines, humanities, social science, and natural science.
This fair allows the students to explore various fields of study and develop a broad understanding of different subjects.
Providing them with a solid foundation for their future academic and career pursuits.
Choosing GAS can be advantage for students who are still exploring their interests and are unsure about their career path.
The diverse range of subjects covered in GAS enables the students to discover their strengths, interests, and passions.
By exposing themselves to different areas and knowledge, the student can make more influence decision about their future, academic and career paths.
Furthermore, GAS provides students with critical thinking, analytical, and problem-solving skills that are valuable in any field or profession.
When students decide to pursue further studies in the humanities, social science, and natural sciences.
Even professional fields like law or business day skills and knowledge gained from GAS can be valuable assets.
In summary, choosing the General Academic Strand in senior high school can be a beneficial decision for students seeking a well-rounded education.
Exploration of diverse subjects.
And preparation for future academic and career endeavors.
Let's go and explore!
Choose GAS!